Hi boys and girls, today we are going to make a snack. We are going to make some hummus. So it's very easy to make, you just need a few ingredients. So the first thing we are going to need is some garbanzo beans. And we are going to eat them. But first we are going to drain them and we're going to save the juice because we might need a little extra juice to make it creamier at the end. So I've already opened the can and now we're just going to drain the juice off into this measuring cup and then I'll let Jackson pour the beans in. That. Okay, I finished draining the beans. So now, oops, there was a little more. So now I'm going to carefully take the lid out, and I'm going to do this part rather than having one of the kids do it because I don't want anyone to get cut. Okay, and now I'm going to take this over, and Josh, will you carefully pour the beans in the blender? Okay, so I let them give it a little extra tap. Okay, let's take a look. Oh no, there's still lots in there. There we go. Okay. Next, we are going to need some tahini. So let's see. And this one, I have different recipes that I try. I have my recipe book open so I can kind of use this as a guide, but I'm not very good at following recipes, I'll be honest. I kind of like to just mix and match. But for this recipe, I'm going to throw in 2 tablespoons of tahini sauce. And tahini is toasted sesame seeds blended with olive oil. So you can make it yourself too if you don't have it. You can find a recipe if you have sesame seeds. Okay, let me see how big that one is. Yes, that one will work. Let's do that one. Okay, ready? Here we go. Put it over here. Hold it over the top. Hold it by the handle. There we go. Okay, hold it right here. And you're not going to dump it until it's all the way full. Okay, pour it in. Go ahead and pour it all the way in. Okay, and now let's do one more of those. Okay, pour it in. Awesome. Okay, next. Let's have Bella do a turn. Okay. We're going to do, on this one, it calls for, hold on, this one calls for 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So, we'll do this one again. The other recipe I was calling for more, so I was trying to remember. Okay, you want to do the lemon? Okay, do 1, dump it in. And, there we go. Dump it in. Okay, so we've got our oil. So next we're going to need to squeeze some lemon.
Can I do a lemon?
Sure. After Juliana, you can do a lemon too. And we are just squeezing the lemons. You can see I'm letting the kids do the majority of it because this is an activity for them and they're the ones that love hummus. It's one of their favorite snacks. Good job, Jules. And I'm going to help you pull out some seeds. Okay. A little more lemon juice in that one. Okay, so the juice of 1 lemon. Let's see. And next, Jax, I'll have you do the garlic. And I actually put less garlic in mine because I'm allergic to it and I don't like it that much in it. So I just put a teeny bit in ours. You can put more or less. This recipe called for, I believe, 4 cloves, which I find is way too much garlic. So with kids, you might want to make it with a little bit less. We'll do 2 of those. We're going to do 2 teaspoons. And again, I use the diced garlic. So that one tends to be a little bit less potent and not making it sick. Okay, so next we need, let's see. I think the last thing is our twist of salt. Bella, can you give a twist? You know how to do it? You just twist. Okay, 1 little twist from you. See if you can do 1 little twist. Good, try. And 1 little twist from Jax. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's not really going to be as salty as it looks because their twists are not getting much salt out. Okay, so next, we've already got the garlic. Now we're going to blend it. So I'll put the lid on, move all our measuring cups out of the way. And this is always the fun part, kids love blending. And so you can have them blend in between each stage if you want, like just so they get more chances to blend. Just for the time's sake, I didn't have mine do it this time that way, but if it weren't making a video, I probably would have done it. Okay, you're gonna do it on that one right there. Push. And again, this is a good fine motor activity for her because she really has to isolate her legs. And she had to use 2 thumbs to get it to start. Okay, do it again. It looks pretty good. I have a resident hummus expert here. Let me get a spoon. Jax is my hummus expert, and he knows good hummus. So let's see if he can test it and see what he thinks.
Jack, you're the tester.
Okay, Jax. See if we need to blend it more or if it needs to be creamier or any changes.
Okay. Oven's perfect. Creamier.
It needs to be creamier. Okay. So go put that in the sink because remember we only use clean spoons when we're doing the cooking part. Okay, Belle, this time you come turn it on.
Okay.
Okay.
Mom, can you put it over here?
Well, it'll be easier if you just walk this way. So put it on medium this time. So Belle, Juliana tried it on low. We're going to try it on medium. Taste tester, go grab and use a clean spoon. Let's
Can I
see.
do it? Can I taste this too?
Sure, go get a spoon.
Yes. You
Okay.
go get a taste test.
Let's see. Okay. Now this time if it needs to be creamier, we'll add a little of the juice. Although it looks pretty good to me. It's looking pretty creamy.
Can I try it?
Is it good enough that you would eat the pretzels and veggies?
Creamier.
Creamier, oh my. Okay, so this time, so Jules, I'll have you be the taste test a little bit in a minute. So I'm gonna just add a little of the bean juice because one of the recipes I read said that you can do that. So we'll give it a try. Okay. And Jax, your turn. Okay, you'll do your spoon next. So Jax, this time put it on high. Okay. Whoa, you okay? All right. Our final taste tester is going to be Juliana. She brought her clean spoon over. So Jules, okay, give that one a taste.
Can I lick
Is it good?
it? Can I lick
No.
it? Let me lick it.
No. We'll get a clean spoon. All right, let's just see. Let's get a pretzel to see. Maybe if it has a pretzel, we can see what we actually think. Okay. Hold on. We're going to pour it a little in a dish. We don't want to contaminate. We'll just pour it right onto this. Let's see. I'm going to give it a taste so I can see what we're working with here.
Can I try? Can I try? Can I have some?
I think it's good, guys.
Can I try?
Yeah, I think it's just warm. They're not used to warm hummus from the blaze. So hold on. So boys and girls, this was a successful hummus adventure. We're going to put it in the dish and chill it because I think that they're just not used to having warm hummus, and from the friction of the blades, it made it kind of warm. And now you can see they are very excited to try this hummus. I hope you have fun making hummus too. Thanks for joining us.